Friends, now I will explain about quadratic equation. It is very interesting and very important for math. The degree of a equation is 2. Then the equation is a quadratic equation. General form to represent a equal to 0 where a coefficient of x square, b coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, solution: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Multiply it by a both the sides. Then it will a square x square plus abx plus ac is equal to 0. Now ax square, a square x square plus abx plus ac plus b square upon 4 is equal to 0 plus b square upon 4. Adding b square upon 4 to both the sides to make it a perfect square. Now it will ax plus b upon 2 whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac whole upon 4. Now taking square root of both the sides, ax plus b by 2 is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac whole upon 2. Therefore, ax is equal to minus b by 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac whole upon 2. 2 will be the LCM. Therefore, ax is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole upon 2. By taking positive sign, then it will be the first value known as alpha, and x will be equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac whole root by 2a. The other root is known as beta, and by taking negative sign, x is equal to minus b minus b square minus 4ac whole root upon 2a. Thus, alpha and beta are two roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, we will find sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta. We will add both, taking 2 as LCM, minus b plus b square minus 4ac whole root minus b minus b square minus 4ac whole root. b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac प्लस के और माइनस के आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, तो देन अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू b अपॉन a. अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस b अपॉन a, इट्स मीन माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x whole upon coefficient of x square. Now we will find product of the roots. Alpha beta is equal to minus b plus whole root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a into minus b minus b square minus 4ac whole root upon 2a by a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to minus b whole square minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to b square minus b square plus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to 4ac upon 4a square. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to c upon a constant term upon coefficient of x square. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, then equation will be x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. Now we will multiply x minus alpha with x minus beta. The result will be x square minus bx minus alpha x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. That implies x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. It is the other formula. The first formula was x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0 when the roots are alpha and beta. And the other form is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. In other words, we can say x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Thank you.